So students, the next topic we are going to see is operator, logical operator that are used with where class or and any, between, exist, in, like, not, or unique. So these are all the operators that are used with the where class conditions. So we are going to see with an example. So here first example, the where class, what is the syntax of where class or how it get executed with the select command. So select column name, that is what we want to display, and then from table name where condition. So here for example, to display the student's admission number and name of only those students who belong to Chennai. So what is the select command? Select what are the field you want to display? Admission number and name of the students. So here admission number you want to display, name, and then place you want to display. In that place who are belong to Chennai. So here the condition is where the place column is equal to having the value Chennai. So this is our student table having 5 fields and having 8 records. So in that, who are all the having the place as Chennai, we have to list those records. So here first record is Aussies, and then second record who is having the value, place value as Chennai, Abhinand, and then next Revati, and then next Hema. So the 4 records are satisfying the given condition. So how to form a query? Select admission number, name, and place from student table. So we have to specify student where the place is equal to Chennai. Here the where class, after the where class you have to specify the condition. Here what is the condition? Those students, those who are in Chennai. So the place is equal to Chennai. So the 4 records are get selected and displayed. Next, see this query. In this query what they had given? Select admission number, name, age from student table where age is equal to 18. So here the condition is 80. Age is greater than or equal to 18. So we have to refer the student table. So in this table, which record is having, which record satisfy the given condition? What is the given condition? Age is greater than or equal to 18. So the second record Others, fourth record Ayush, fifth record Abhinand, and then so these are the 3 records, and then greater than Revati and Devika. So 5 records are satisfying the given condition. So the output is, you see here, they doesn't ask all the field to display. They asked only the 3 fields to display. So what is the 3 fields? Admission number, name, and age. So the 5 records satisfy the condition got displayed. And then we are going to see next example for and. So you see here, what is the query they had given? Select admission number, name, age, place from student table. Condition, what is the condition? Where age is greater than or equal to 18. This is one condition. And place is equal to Delhi. This is one condition. So here 2 conditions are satisfied, or if it returns true, when both the conditions are written true, then those records are taken into an account and those records are got displayed. So here first we had used this condition as age is greater than or equal to 18. So 5 records got satisfied. In this what they had given, place is equal to Chennai. So in this 5 record, those who are having the age above 18 or equal to 18 and also their place value equal to Chennai. Just see here, this is Chennai, place is equal to Chennai, and then age is also equal, greater than or equal to 18. So Abhinand record gets satisfied for the 2 conditions. But the condition is not Chennai. Here place is equal to Delhi. So here those records which is satisfied. See here Delhi, and then age is equal to 18. Delhi, and then age is equal to 18. So others and Ayush record alone got displayed. So while you are combining two conditions, we must use this logical operator AND. So here they had given lot more example. Admission number, name and age, place also to be displayed from the table student, where age is greater than 18, greater than or equal to 18, or place is equal to Delhi. In this, either one condition is satisfied, those record are get selected and then displayed on the screen. And the next operator we are going to see is not. So here, where within the parenthesis they had specified the condition. What is the condition command they have used here is not. That is logical operator is not. Place is equal to Delhi. So it select the record which satisfy the condition place is equal to Delhi, and before they had given not. So in those the places who are having the value Delhi, apart from that all the records are displayed with 3 columns: admission number, name and place. And then next in your book they had given that not you had seen, and then between. So what is between? Between they are defined the range of the values. So those are the records which are fall between these values or get satisfied and then got displayed. So here what query they had given? Select admission number, name, age, gender from student table, where age between 18 and 19. So it is equal to 18 and equal to 19. So between 18 and 19, those records are satisfied, got displayed on the screen. So not between is in reverse of between. So between this 18 and 19, all the records are get displayed. So 17 records got displayed on the screen, where the age is not between 18 and 19. Not is equal to 18. Those records are having the value age not equal to 18 and not equal to 19. Now those 3 records are satisfied with the given example and then got displayed on the screen. Then in keyword. So in keyword is used to specify the set of values which must be matched with the record values. That is correctly matched with the values. Then those values are get displayed on the screen. So here that is the command you can see here. Select admission number, name, place from the table student, where place in, that is the place column has the value Chennai or Delhi. Here the options are specified within that parenthesis. Delhi, the place value either it is in Delhi or it is Chennai. So the place column contains Chennai or Delhi. Then those records are selected and then got displayed. So in our table we are having the value, place value as Chennai. So first record got selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 records. So what is the output of this? 6 records are selected which is having the place value Chennai and Delhi and then got displayed on the screen. Next topic we are going to see is sorting records. What is mean by sorting? In last year itself we have studied what is sorting. Arranging the records in some order, either in ascending order or in descending order is said to be as sorting records. So here that query, that result or listed in ascending order or descending order, you have to use the command order by. To sort the records, what command we are using? It is order by. So what is the syntax of this command? Select asterisk from the table name, order by column name. So by using which column we want to order the records, we have to specify the column. So if we want to arrange all the records in alphabetical order, now we have to order by, we have to specify the column name, that is name, first name. If we want to arrange the records with the help of total marks, then what we have to specify? Select asterisk from biodata, order by total. Like that we have to specify. In our example they have specified select star from biodata, order by first name. So according to the order they are arranging the records in alphabetical order. So here are the biodata, in biodata table we have entered 4 values. After deleting that money record, we are having 3 values. So they have arranged these 3 values in ascending order. So if you want to arrange the records in descending order, now what we have to do? Select star from biodata, order by first name. In that we have to specify DESC. So that the DESC is used to specify, arrange the column in descending order. You can see here the example. Select star from biodata, order by first name DESC. So that all the records in the table got arranged in descending order.